Hello friends. Welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this video tutorial session, we will learn how to share a folder, create map drive group policy and allow 5 GB quota for domain group users. Create a new folder in D drive. Now open Server Manager. Click File and Storage Service. Select Share from left menu bar. Click Task drop-down menu and click New Share. Select SMB Share Advanced option from File Share Profile. Click Next. Select Custom Path. Browser Share Folder Location. Click Next. Click Next. Enable access-based enumeration. Click Next. Click Customization Permission. Permission allowed to specific user group. Allow quota 5 GB for share folder. Folder share complete. Now create group policy for share folder. Auto create map drive in user computer. Open the group policy management console. Right-click and choose Create a new group policy object. Edit Group Policy Object. Go to User Configuration, Preferences, Windows Settings, Drive Maps. Right-click in the right pane and select New Map Drive. Choose an appropriate action update. Enter the path to the shared folder. Provide a friendly name for the map drive. Enable this if you want the drive to reconnect after logoff, restart. Select the drive letter to assign. Close the Group Policy Management Console editor and ensure the group policy object is linked to the appropriate OU containing the user accounts. On the client machines, run the following command in the command prompt to apply the policy immediately. Now open File Explorer and verify the map drive under this PC. Map drive creates successfully. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.